Hey there, iPhone users! Have you ever picked up your iPhone ready to check that one important message, only to realize you completely forgot your passcode? Yep, that little six-digit monster strikes again. Let's talk about some of the most annoying yet common security and software issues on iPhones. You know, the kind that makes you want to throw your phone, but it costs too much, so you don't.
First up, the forgotten passcode. You set your password thinking, of course I'll remember it. 3 days later, boom, brain fog. After 6 wrong attempts, your iPhone politely locks you out. Try again later? Sure, how about next year? If you're lucky, you've backed up your data. Otherwise, it's reset time. Fun, right? Next, Face ID fails at the worst possible moment. You're in the middle of the street, hands full of groceries, and your phone just refuses to recognize your face. You look the same, maybe a bit tired, but apparently your iPhone disagrees. Face ID after a shower? Nope. Face ID with sunglasses? Nope. Face ID with a face mask? Double nope. It's like your iPhone is saying, "Who even are you?" And finally, freezing apps. You open Safari, Notes, or Instagram, and nothing. It just sits there, frozen, like your ex at a family gathering. You swipe up, close it, reopen it, still frozen. At this point, you're not even mad. You're just disappointed. These issues aren't rare. They happen to everyone. Even Apple fanatics admit it when they're not defending their iPhone like it's a newborn baby. So what can you do? Back up your phone regularly, use Face ID and passcode together, not just one or the other. Keep your software updated. Seriously, those updates aren't just annoying pop-ups. And maybe, just maybe, consider restarting your iPhone once in a while. It's not immortal after all. Remember, no phone is perfect, but with a little tech patience and a pinch of humor, you can survive the wild world of iPhone bugs. Thanks for watching, and hey, don't forget your passcode this time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this helpful.